Hey everyone, recently I posted this video and my comment section blew up with questions like this. That's why today I'll be sharing the recipe of this air dry clay and taking you through it step by step. So let's get into the video. For this we will need cornstarch, white glue, vinegar, any colorless oil, white acrylic paint, and a pan to cook everything in. Alright, start by adding all the ingredients to your pan. I have added the measurement in the video, so just follow along. Now give it a good mix. Make sure there are no lumps and the paste look nice and smooth. Keep mixing until it starts to thicken up like this. Next, place the pan on the stove and set the heat to low. Make sure you keep mixing the whole time. You don't want it to overcook or stick to the pan. As it's cooked, you will notice it start to thicken and pull away from the sides. Once it forms a dough and comes together, that's when you know it's almost ready. Carefully take the clay out of the pan. Now sprinkle a little cornstarch on your desk or work surface. This will keep it from sticking. I also like to rub a bit of oil on my hands. It just makes kneading so much easier. Start kneading the clay right away while it's still warm. Be careful though, it can be hot. You will want to knead for about 6 to 10 minutes until it feels soft and stretchy. Here is a quick way to check if your clay is ready. Just pull off a small piece and stretch it. If it forms teardrop shapes at the end, then it's perfect. To store your clay, wrap it tightly in plastic wrap, then keep it in an airtight container. Since this is air dry clay, you will want to keep it sealed when we are not using it, otherwise it will start to harden. Let it rest for about a day before you start using it. Trust me, this makes it even softer and easier to work with. After letting the clay rest for a day, you will notice it becomes even softer. Now let's add some color to the clay. If you want bright, vibrant color, start by adding food color or any liquid pigment. I am using watercolor ink for this. Next, I add a bit of acrylic paint. This really makes the color pop and bright. For soft pastel shades, you can use chalk pastels. Scrape a little as shown in the video and mix it into the clay. You can color the clay in advance and store it in airtight container, just like before. This way, it's ready whenever you need it. Now that your clay is colored and ready, you can start making whatever you like. I have made something with mine. Watch the process and get inspired.